All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still going over our building visual transformers from scratch module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Yesterday, if you recall, the last thing we did in this module was actually modifying our patch encoder and then running everything or compiling everything to make sure everything was still running smooth. As you can see, this is everything from yesterday. We did modify our patch encoder and we did compile everything smoothly so everything is still playing nicely and all of the code is still running correctly. So we moved forward. Now, I did add two pieces of code today. We didn't take much notes because we do have these two pieces of code. Now, these two pieces of code are important. We're gonna want to run these to make sure everything is working fine because this is our patch encoder, the one we just modified. So what we want to do is we want to run this and make sure our modified patch encoder is going to do what we want it to do. So let's do some light reading, and then I'll tell you what the patches are going to do, and then we'll run it overnight and go over everything tomorrow. So now we have our patch encoder set. We can test it out. This is how we would do that. You see a patch inc equals patch encoder 256 by 2, supposed to be 78 here by 278. Now, this will get two parameter values, number of patches, and hidden size. So this is our number of patches. This is our hidden size. From here, we can use this command method to pass in an image and see what we get. This command method will also get a shape as the parameter. So this is our command method to get our image, tf.zeros, and this is our shape we want our image to have, a 1 by 256 by 256 by 3. So now when we pass the input image, we expect to get some output of shape batch size by number of patches by hidden size. So like I said, this is going to be our batch size, this is our number of patches, and this is our hidden size. So now that we've built this up to the point where we have our embedded patches, let's go ahead and build this transformer encoder. That's going to be the next step we take, which we're going to start tomorrow after we run our patch encoder overnight. We're going to start building our transformer encoder. Like I said, this is the next step that we're going to be taking here. I didn't take a lot of notes and I didn't introduce a lot of code because these two pieces are going to be very important. If our patch encoder isn't working, we're not going to be able to move forward. Well, if no piece of the code is working, we're not going to move forward. But especially with this patch encoder, because we did modify it and we are going to use this to actually get our image and do everything we need to do with that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way after we run our code tonight. We're going to pick up tomorrow and dive into exactly what's going on and what we use it for. But I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.